you were to plumb down from that beam, it's obviously not gonna line up for the bottom tabs. Hopefully be able to start this thing today. All right, just got to the property and actually we've got a driveway. Put a new culvert in. Unfortunately, I left these giant rocks there, so we gotta fire up the bulldozer and move those so I can get the truck back in there. But yeah, we can actually finally drive into the property again. Murray, what's going on? Here you go, boy. Huh? Here you go, boy. Alright, we got the driveway smoothed out. Now it's time to tackle this battery so we can put this thing back into use. What do you think, Murray? Yeah, these cables are in rough shape. I don't know if you can see that. The copper is just coming apart, so I'm gonna replace this cable. And this one back here is really bad. All right, as you can see, this is in pretty rough shape. That connection's horrible. So I'm gonna replace this cable. This isn't any better. So I'm gonna cut this. I think I have enough cable to cut it back here probably. Hopefully there's some good copper in there. And then I'll put a new lug on and should still have plenty of room. I don't wanna replace that entire cable. Ooh. So we're just gonna get figure out where we need to cut this jacket off for the connector. Right about there.
What? Where is it hooked?
There. It's not hooked anymore. We should slide in, tighten this up. There, I don't think that'll fall back there.
So we're connecting the positive
side, yeah.
Positive side first.
Maybe if I can get the...
I just noticed you wore your good jeans to work in today.
I know.
What are you doing that for?
My new school clothes. Getting all dirty.
When they're black, they'll show every piece of mud and dirt. There you go. It's all fascinating, isn't it? Isn't that fascinating, Murray?
These don't have to be super tight either, just so it doesn't move on the terminal. That would be my luck. Nope.
So this...
So let me loosen that back up and turn it.
We like to do things... How many times?
Oh, usually third time's a charm. That's out of the way. Make sure this fit on there. Perfect. All right.
That lasted.
All right, I'm not going to put this... There, that should be good. All right, we've got batteries now. Let's see if we can start it.
All right, he's going to try to start it. Uh-oh.
Well, battery works. Jayme's here to help today. We're gonna try to put that beam on that tab over there. Slide this on. And of course I forgot a file. High spot. All right, we just took out some of the bumps left by the pipe wrench. Kind of scarred up the metal, but it's a lot smoother now. And this thing, yep, fits good. All right, so this will ultimately go like that. The beam will sit across. Plumb down from that beam, it's obviously not gonna line up for the bottom tab, so we've ordered some other, they're wood struts they're called, that'll actually go into the side of the tree on each side and attach the strut to that and then back up to the joint we made. But since we've already cut the joints for this beam and the two struts, we're gonna level everything today from the tab we put in right there over to this front of the tree. So we can place our new yoke right there. All right, so now the next thing is we have to take the struts over, and if I was smart, I would have labeled which one was on the right, which one was on the left, but unfortunately I didn't, so we're gonna have to solve that mystery next. Before we lug these over, I'm gonna push these bolts through and put the nuts and washers on the other side.
So we're gonna assemble this yoke on the ground. We're gonna screw into the bottom there and over there.
All right, we got the two struts screwed in, and that's it. I think the yoke's complete. Back at the property today, and I'm gonna try, we fixed the battery, but we still can't start the tractor, so I've got 5 gallons of diesel. I'm gonna throw in the tractor and hopefully create a little more head pressure in the tank, and then I bought a new fuel filter, so we'll replace that and hopefully make some progress. That was my fuel filter. I think it was $15 on Amazon. Wasn't that bad, so definitely worth a shot. Let's unlock this thing. Like I said, we'll put some more diesel in the tank. Hopefully, a little more head pressure will help us get fuel to the fuel where we need it. Doesn't look that bad, but boy, there's some black gunk coming out of there. All right, let's make sure we have the flow going the right way. Yep, flow to the left. There's the fuel filter. I probably should replace it, but before I do that, I'm going to try to loosen this screw a couple of turns. And I think there's a primer right here. So we'll see if we can prime the line up doing that. Oh, we got fuel. All right, let's tighten it up and see if we can start it. All right, third time's a charm, maybe.
It is a gorgeous summer day. It's not raining. In Maine, anyway. Is it up there, or are you lifting the cover up? Hey, Mary. Can you come help on this side? So we're going to change out the fuel filter?
Yep. I'm sure it's like there.
It's pink.
Yeah.
Is it gunky?
Not bad. Black. Alright, let's fill this one up with diesel. I don't have any oil, so I'm just going to use some used oil off the dipstick.
And how do we do that?
I think that's... Alright, get the batteries in. New fuel filter. Prime the line. Give it a shot of ether and see if we can start this thing. Alright.
Ready?
Yep. Alright, Jayme and I are going to change roles. Yeah, just give it one or two, quick shot. That's good, that's good.